Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become a baby shark in Berry Avenue. So if you ever wanted to transform your avatar into a baby shark in Berry Avenue, this fun and easy tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So what you need to do first is change your body into a baby. You can go to the avatar, click on menu and choose body. Tap on this second part in here. I'm going to, let's say, remove the hair first. Okay, after this you can just search for a baby body options. Here you can choose which one. For example, let's try the first ones in here. I don't know why this item is banned. Let's try another one. Okay, so here is the baby. Let's try another one in here. Okay, I'm going to just use this one. Now you can change your age info into a baby. You can click on this and now you'll be a baby just like this. And let's remove the makeup. So here I'm going to find a baby face. Let's try to use this one. I don't know why it doesn't apply. Okay, let's just find the shark outfit. So you can just go to clothing in here and then just search for shark. Click on enter. Or you can also just go to shirt. In here you'll easily spot the shark. Let's just search for it if to see if there are any other options to wear. Okay, you can see there are lots of shark outfit. Let's try to use the first one. Okay, so this is the result. Or let's try to use this hammer shark or this one. Okay, so you can just choose the shark outfit that you want. I'm going to use this one. This is the result. And this is a little baby shark walking around in Berry Avenue. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can create this baby shark on Berry Avenue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.